Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel RDGK and Jobs Hin. Hit the big fat subscribe button to get new job and GK updates. Here is a good news for all the aviation dreamer that Indigo is recruiting for customer service ramp security in Kolkata. As you can see the notice that position, as you can see their position is customer service ramp and security. Then eligibility criteria, as you can see the education qualification, graduates from a recognized board or university as determined by Indigo. So you have to be graduate, then you can apply. So friends, here you can see that Indigo has mentioned that you have to be passed at least graduation, or you must have a bachelor's degree from a recognized board or university, otherwise your employment is liable to be withdrawn or terminated. Then desired skills, so your desired skills is mandatory, which is mandatory for good communication skills, customer service, and open to work in rotational shifts and able to work under pressure. So these are the desired skills which you should have. 5, no visible tattoo, marks or body art. If you have tattoo or body marks on your body, then you can't apply for this job. And age, as you can see that 18 to 27 years. If you are between 18 to 27 years old, then you can easily apply for this job. And then 7, interviewed candidates can reapply after 6 months. If once you have applied for this job, then you can't apply, you have to apply after 6 months. And then requirements, which is mandatory requirements, that for customer service, good communication and pleasing personality. And number B, for security, adaptable to all weather conditions, place of work can be either at the terminal or apron. And then for ramp, as you can see that for ramp, adaptable to all weather conditions, place of work can be either at the terminal or apron. And then B is preferable requirement, which is mandatory also. Number A, for customer service, well versed in customer dealing. And for security, basic AV, SEC, screener, NCC background. So here you can see that NCC background, if you are from NCC background, then you can apply for this job. And for ramp, load and trim license and 12th science background. So if you are applying for ramp, so you have to be passed with a bachelor's degree. So here you can see that apply for this job. When you go through the notice, then you can easily see that there are how to apply. They have mentioned that how to apply. First you have to write your first name, then middle name, last name, mail ID, experience, all these which is mandatory. You have to submit and fulfill all this, and then you can go for the direct interview. Here as you can see that the notice has been posted on January 23rd in 2021. So guys, if this video is helpful to you, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.